Hey, in this video, we're going to be talking about how to become an Uber driver, how to become a Lyft driver. We're going to go inside the Uber driver app and the Lyft driver app. And right now we're going to see which one is better to drive for. Is it Uber or is it Lyft? Let's get into it. What's going on, guys? Nick here. So right now we're about to take a live look inside the Uber driver app, and I want to show you exactly what's going on live here in Boston, Massachusetts. Is there surging? Is it worth being an Uber driver? We're going to go over all those things. Hey, listen, before I get into the video, don't forget about our free dash cam giveaway. Link is in the description. Just sign up for the free dash cam. We're doing this every single month, so just make sure you sign up, because if you don't sign up, you can't win. You just go click the link, you go to the page, you put in your email and your name, and you sign up, and then you're done. And you also, if you want to become an Uber driver or Lyft driver, use my links in the description. Why use my links? Because there's three good reasons to use my link. Number one, everybody that uses my link and signs up to drive and completes the bonus period receives a free dash cam from me. That's everybody that signs up with my link. You're getting a free dash cam, number one. So number two, you're also going to get my Rideshare Mastery, and then also my Expert Rideshare Secrets, and then my best training, Rideshare Referral Bonus Generator. What's a Rideshare Referral Bonus Generator, you ask? Well, that's where you learn how to sign up new drivers. I'm going to teach you exactly what I do, how to sign up new drivers on a regular basis so you can earn referral bonuses. You can make $500 on average every single month without even driving. But without any more further ado, let's get into the video. Let's get into the apps. I'm going to show you exactly what's going on right now, right here in Boston, Massachusetts. Let's get into it. Okay, guys, right now, we'll go to the Uber driver app. So here's the app right now. Typically, this is Boston, Massachusetts. Let's hit go real quick, because what I want to see is, okay, so there we go. There's some surging going on. Actually, it's not really surging. It just shows you the hot spots. So like all these little things right here is like shorter wait times. It's saying this area is currently shorter wait time for trip requests. And that's basically just showing you what's going on, where it's busy. All the shaded gray area, that's where it's busy. And that's where, you can probably get a trip real quick, and it won't cost you, a lot of time. You won't wait for a lot of time. But if you're driving in Uber modes, how do I get out of this now? Oh, it's up here, the X. All right, so if you're driving an Uber X, and I'll show you this right now. So this is the Uber driver app, and right now I have XL on because I drive an XL vehicle. I drive a premium vehicle, but you can also you can turn on Uber X if you want, and you can also turn on deliveries. And actually, I want to show you deliveries right now, or Uber Comfort. So, but right now, let's see what the let's do deliveries and see what that looks like, and watch the map change. All right, so now we got the Ubereats feature on, right? And so you can see that there's some bonuses. And this typically is what a surge is going to look like. So when it surges, you're going to get these extra bonuses. So it's like $2.50. You see $2.50 over here in the dark orange. And then you also see the $1.50s over here. And where it gets yellow is like it's where the lesser bonuses are. Now you can always zoom in, zoom out on the app, and you can figure out where you want, what you want to do for driving. Now these are the good points about driving for Uber, is that you have so many different options. You can do deliveries if you just want to do deliveries. You want to make some money. You want to go out and drive. You want to go out and, let me get a little bit closer to the microphone. If you want to go out and drive and you don't want to have to deal with customers and riders, it's a great way to do it. It's all up to you. Like, I think when the best strategy is to do Uber X and do delivery. So if you did these two, you would probably be the most busy, and you'd get probably make the most amount of money in the shortest period of time. Now, if you're going to do XL, it's great if you have a minivan. So I think the best vehicle for XL is a minivan, because if you get a hybrid minivan, then you can do everything. You could do XL. I'm not sure if Comfort qualifies. I'll have to figure that out. But you could do delivery, you could do X, you could do XL. And honestly, that would keep you the most busy. And the XLs, they're not very common, but they are, you will get enough of them where it's a really awesome bonus for you, because the XLs pay a lot more per rate, per mile. What else is going on in here? Let's check out the bonuses that you get for Uber right now. So right now, this is for 3 consecutive trips. That's April 23rd. So that's tomorrow. That's actually really good. Lyft was running a similar one, but so right now, actually that's tomorrow, April 23rd, from 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. Right now it's 8:40 a.m. here in Boston. So they're not running that. But what you can do, so if you take one trip, and this is how it works. I don't know if they put the rules here. Yeah. So there's the rules. Okay, so start one trip in the outline zone between 6 and 7 a.m. The first trip locks in your dollar amount for the series. Number 2, stay online and start your trips 2 and 3 in any location at any time. So as long as you start your trips in that blue shaded area that we were just looking at, as long as you start your trip in that area, and it'll show you where you are. When you turn it on, it shows a little icon. Here, let me show you. So like this right here, that's where I'm at. I'm at home right now, and that's where I'm at. So when you do it, when you start your trip or when you turn the app on, you'll see where you are in the map, and all you have to do is locate yourself and get in that blue area and start one trip between 6 a.m. and 7 a.m. and then that locks you in for the 3 consecutive trip bonus. Now you're going to get $14.50 on top as long as you make 3 trips consecutively without missing, and then without without declining a trip and without going offline. So it says number 3. Going offline or declining trips will break the series, right? So let's review. Number 1, start the trip in the outline zone between 6 and 7 a.m. That first trip locks in your dollar amount for the series. Number 2, stay online and start trips 2 and 3 in any location at any time. Going offline, declining trips will break the series. Number 3. Okay. That's a good bonus. And there's also... Now, let's check out the promotion that they're running. So the Uber also has a quest bonus. So basically what that is like it's a quota, right? So you do so many drives and you make some money. So you have the first one up there. It's $330 for completing 80 trips, or the second one is $465 for completing 100 trips. Now, right now, without pulling out my calculator, I can see that the bigger bonus, the $465 for completing 100 trips, that's about $4.65 extra per trip, right? That's actually pretty good considering, like, that's a nice bonus at the end of the week when you did 100 trips. Now, that's from April 19th to the 23rd at 4 a.m. So right now, just knowing that's from Monday at 4 a.m. to Friday at 4 a.m. So that literally gives you Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 4 days. So you have to do 25 trips per day to make that 465. Now that's a full-time schedule. And I'm not sure if Ubereats counts for that, but actually somebody told me that it does. So you could do Ubereats and UberX to do 25 trips a day. And that's pretty much a full-time schedule. You're going to do 40 hours a week trying to make that typically. Typically, you're going to try and do that. Now, the $330 for 80 trips, let's see if we can bust out the calculator for this one. Hey, real quick, if you're getting value out of this video, do me a favor and smash up that like button. It really helps me, and it tells the algorithm that these are the kind of videos that you want to see. Also, if you have any questions that I haven't answered yet or you want me to answer, definitely put those in the comments below. I'll be sure to answer them. I answer everybody's questions and comments that comments on my videos. All right, let's get back into it. Do I have it? Oh, there it is. Okay. So what was that math again? 330 divided by 80. So 330, divide that by 80. So that's $4, and just over $4, $4.12 per trip extra for completing 80 trips. Now, 4 days and 80 trips is 20 rides, right? So it's 20 rides. So it's not you don't have to do as many, so you don't have to put as much pressure on yourself. It's still that's still borderline full-time. That's still a borderline full-time schedule. But not bad. All right, so let's check out Lyft right now because I want to compare these. All right, now keep those in mind because I want to compare Lyft. So Lyft has an awesome one going on right now, and now check out the math on this one. And this is why I think that Lyft is the better platform to be driving right now because you get a better bonus. And again, link is in the description. And guys, I just want to reiterate: if you sign up for Lyft right now and you complete their bonus period, and they have an awesome bonus period, I'm going to give you a free dash cam. You're going to get all my trainings for free. And you're going to get free access to me. Like, I'm going to give you my personal information. You can reach out to me anytime if you have any questions. So I'm going to help you along your journey becoming a Lyft driver and an Uber driver. But check out this bonus right here. This one's really good. 145 guaranteed earnings until 5 a.m. And that's Friday on 5 a.m. So that's a Monday through Friday type of schedule. And that's $145 for completing 18 rides. Now let's do the math on that one. $145 divided by 18 trips. And that's going to be $8 per trip. Now, that's pretty good. That's like double of what Uber was paying, right? Because they were just paying $4 or $4.65 for doing 100 rides. And now you only have to do 80 rides with Lyft, or 18 rides. All right, and you're going to get $145. Now, you're not getting as much as Uber for the bonus, but now you don't have to do as many rides, right? So if you're going to do 18 rides from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, so 4 days, I mean, that's less than 5 rides a day? That's part-time. So if you want to drive on a part-time schedule, Lyft is the way to go, because you only have to do a certain amount of, those low amount of rides, and that's definitely a part-time schedule. Now, they also have some other bonuses going on. So, and here's the other part, right? So now they have, as you can see right here, they have a $12 streak bonus and a $15 streak bonus. So very similar to Uber when you started in the blue zone, these are going to be the same type of things. Now, they have their specified time. So you have a streak from 1 to 2, and also a $15 streak from 2:30 to 3:30. And right now it's past the time because it's 8:46, but they had one from 7 to 8 where it was another $15. So think about this. You can go out, you can drive, right? And if you're driving for Lyft and you do the Quest bonus, right? So you're going out every day, you're doing 5 rides a day, and you're going to make the $145 for 18 trips. Now, on top of that, if you go out at these specified times to get the streak bonuses, you can increase it even more. So we did the math. It was $8 extra per ride. Now, if you hit these streak bonuses, you can get $4 extra per ride and $15 extra per ride. Now, let's say you went out before work or after work or even during lunch, right? So you can earn an extra $5 per trip for 3 trips. All you have to do is 3 trips. Start one in that time frame, in that hour time frame, and do consecutively, like we had said, and you're going to earn an extra $4 or $5 per ride. So you add that $4 to the $8 that we just did for their Quest bonus. Now we're talking $12 or the $5, $12 to $13 extra per trip. Right? And so that's going to, on average, you're going to make like between $5 and $8 per ride. So that's going to take you up near $20 per ride driving for Lyft on a part-time basis. And that's the main reason I think that Lyft is the better platform to drive right now. Now, let's go into the bonus structure. So for new drivers, they have a special bonus for new drivers when they sign up and complete so many rides in the first 30 days. So let's check out what that has to say. So when you complete 160 rides in your first 30 days, you'll make $2,500 guaranteed. Now, let's do the math on that. 160 rides, 2,500 divided by 160. Divided by 160. And this is in 30 days, by the way. So that's $15 per trip. All right. And all you have to do is go out and do the drives. So that's $15 per trip, and you're going to get $2,500 guaranteed. So all you have to do is sign up, start driving. All you have to do is sign up, get approved, start driving, and you can go out and make $15 per trip guaranteed. That's the best bonus I've seen in a long time. Definitely take advantage of that right now. Now is the best time to sign up for Uber and Lyft. Now is the best time to sign up for Lyft because these are the best bonuses I've seen in a long time. $15 guaranteed per trip is a great rate. Like I said, your average pay per ride without the bonus is going to be like $5 to maybe $8, typically $5 to $7 per ride on average. Now, if you sign up with this bonus, you sign up now, you're going to take advantage of this $15 per ride extra. And you don't even need to qualify for those other bonuses that we talked about. They're going to give it to you as long as you complete 160 rides in 30 days. So let's do the math on that. 160 divided by 30 days. All you have to do is 5 rides per day over 30 days. That's a part-time schedule. Now, if you're curious, like, how can I make sure that I make those rides in that period of time? Definitely click the link in the description. Get my free guide, how to make $500 per week guaranteed with Uber and Lyft. I lay it all out there. It's a PDF, it's a blueprint, and shows you exactly the time frames that you need to go out and drive to make this kind of money. Actually, let me show you that right now. Let's go to the clip. I'm going to put this link in the description. It's theridesharehustle.com/$500 per week, or I'm sorry, /500 per week. And when you click on that link, it's going to take you over to the webpage right here. So it's just a free download and it's a PDF. And basically, I'm going to show you how to make $500 per week or $1,000 to $2,000 per month. All the instructions, the blueprint is right here for you. Just put in your name, your name, and then your email address, and everything is going to be sent right to you. Guys, and I also wanted to show you too, if you use my link to sign up for Lyft today, do it right now, you're also going to get my free training. So this is my free training. It's called Rideshare Mastery, and I put this together for all the new drivers out there. All right, so you're going to get this for free. I'm going to answer your questions. Answer the questions like, do you want to learn how to become an Uber and Lyft driver? Do you want to find out if driving for Uber is worth it? Want to know how much money you can make as an Uber and Lyft driver? Do you want to make $100 or even $500 per day as an Uber driver? Do you want to know how much you get paid per mile as an Uber driver? Do you want to make more money without giving up your freedom? All right, I'm going to answer these questions, and I'm also going to answer so much more. I'm going to show you what you can do to get a 5.0 rating. I'm going to show you how to increase your money, how to talk to customers in order to get the best tips possible. I'm going to show you everything that there is to know. I'm going to show you how to do your Uber taxes. I'm going to show you all the essentials you need for the 5-star rating. There's going to be a Facebook group and support. I have a personal Facebook group that's all for Uber drivers and Lyft drivers. You can come in there, you can get help from other drivers, get all the support you need. There's a 30-day money-back guarantee, even though I'm not even charging for this. Now I just see that and I got to take it out. All right, Rideshare Mastery is for you if you want to do all these things. Look, guys, you're going to get the master guide for new drivers, the master guide to making $500 per week with Uber and Lyft, $97 value. The master's guide to maximizing your earnings, $197 value. The master guide to Rideshare Essentials, $47 value. The master guide to paying your Uber taxes, $97 value. I can't even stress this enough. So many drivers do not get the right tax advantages, and you can be saving so much money, guys. This is so important. If you do anything, you need this. You need to get this just for the Uber taxes, the guide to paying your Uber taxes. Facebook group and support, guys. It's really priceless. I put $97 value, but it really is priceless. Total value $582. Yours absolutely free when you join today. Not only that, guys, but anybody that signs up, uses my link to sign up for Lyft today, completes the bonus period in your first 30 days, you're also going to get my Expert Rideshare Secrets training, and I'll show you that right now. Okay, so here's my Expert Rideshare Secrets. Now this is the advanced training. This is for people that have been driving and you feel like you just haven't been making enough money. So maybe you're only making $500 a week, or you're only getting to $2,000 a month and you want to make a little bit more money. Well, this is where I lay it all out for you. This is where we take it to the next level, okay? I'm going to show you how to get referral bonuses. $500 a month is what I average in referral bonuses. I get this money without even driving, okay? The Rideshare Hustler's Guide to Maximizing Your Tips. The Rideshare Hustler's Guide to Securing Private Clients. Just think if you could have private clients and you don't have to drive around not knowing what's happening in your day when you're about to go out and drive. You get private clients and you get scheduled, and they schedule appointments with you on your calendar to go and drive them. I'm going to teach you the best people skills so you can maximize your tips, so you can get that 5-star rating. I'm also going to show you how to maximize your vehicle's profits. There's so many hidden profits that you can be making with your car that you don't even realize that I'm going to lay out in here. All right. Now, also your exit strategy. Now, why do you need an exit strategy, right? Well, think about it. You're only starting to drive Uber and Lyft because you need some extra money. Well, I'm going to show you how to lay out a plan so you can stop driving for Uber and Lyft and still make $500 a week, $2,000 a month without even driving. All right. Everybody needs an exit plan. This is the most important. This is a $47 course. All right. This is well over $500, and I charge $47 for this. Look, total value $1,082. All right. You're going to get the Expert Guide to Rideshare Referrals, the Rideshare Hustler's Guide to Maximizing Tips, the Expert Rideshare Guide to Lock in Private Clients, the Guide to Repeat Business, Guide to Maximizing Your Vehicle's Income, and then the Expert Rideshare Exit Strategy, all valued over $1,082. I sell this for $47. You're also going to get this for free. So if you've been thinking about signing up for Lyft, sign up right now using my link. Complete the bonus period. That's the first 30 days. You have to complete 160 rides. If you complete those rides and complete the bonus period, I'm giving this all this to you for free. Plus, you're going to get free access to me, direct access where you can reach out to me. We'll talk on the phone. You can text me, and I'll answer any questions that you have and help you get started as you start driving for Lyft.